Alright, if we're looking at the Pythagorean Theorem, the Pythagorean Theorem can be used to find the third side of any right triangle. Now that's important. We have to have some sort of right angle in there. It only works for a right triangle. But the general version of the formula will be a squared plus b squared equals c squared, which means that one of my legs, which in this case we'll call a squared, plus my second leg, which will be b squared, should be equal to my third leg, which will be c squared. And now, depending on what you have, you can manipulate that as well to make it work for you. And if we scroll down a little bit, we can look here. We've got two different right triangles here. We can see here my C, which is always my hypotenuse, my longest side, and across from my right angle is my X, which I'm missing. But I have A and B, so I can find that. So remember, it's A squared plus B squared will equal C squared. So if I do some math, it'll be 6 squared plus 8 squared equals C squared. So 36 plus 64 equals C squared. 100 equals C squared. If I take the square root of both sides, I'll find that my C value has got to be equal to 10. So that relationship allows us to find our missing hypotenuse. So remember, a squared, and our a is here, plus b squared, which was my 8, should equal c squared. And that'll work out every single time for a right triangle. Now we can also look at the situation where we have the hypotenuse, and I'm missing one of the legs. So in this case, my C is equal to 5. We'll call X A, and we'll call 3B. So remember, my equation is A squared plus B squared equals C squared. If I plug in and substitute in, A we said was X, B is a 3, and C is a 5. Do a little bit of solving. X squared plus 9 should equal 25. If I subtract 9 on both sides to get X alone, I'll get X squared equals 16. Take the square root of both sides, because that's going to cancel that out. I'll have X equals 4. So not only can we use it to find the hypotenuse, but we can also use it to find one of our missing legs. But remember, it has to be a right triangle.